Hey, it's another great week at the Solomon Trading Institute. Hey, listen, are you still waiting to book a call? Hey, listen, you need to go ahead and do that. I want to help you make a decision that'll help you. So, hey, listen, Solomon Trading Institute. Listen, well, where winning is just our lifestyle. We dominate. Um, we don't just participate in the market, we dominate. Now, with that being said, take the time to read this disclaimer, which is real and both relevant to anyone who is putting themselves in a position to make or earn money from leveraging instruments. So that's what you need to do. Just read that so you'll know. Now, what we do is we mitigate that risk by giving you an education that you can bank on. That's one of the things that we pride ourselves on. Now, listen, as I tell you always ad nauseum, I might as well because it's not changing, that there is a lot of money in the futures market. That's the market in which we operate on. Now, those who are completing their senior project, and making sure that they know and they've understood the strategy and how to utilize it and how to analyze, they go into what we call our live tech room. So our goal is to make you independent from us. So many of our traders don't come to our live tech room. Only those who are just want to help out others, like people who are trying to finish their senior project and ask questions as the market is going on. So every day we do that. And again, that's a part of what they have to do to graduate. And once they do that and they can work under our watchful eye, and we can assure them that they have understood our strategy, then now they're ready to go into a position where they can just absolutely kill the market. So on Monday, just a quick wrap up on June the 12th, $190 per contract potential on that day. And the chart that was traded looks like this. And so this is where the entry would have been, the exit there. So just a beautiful opportunity for a person who understands our strategy to capitalize on understanding price action. So on Tuesday, June the 13th, 2023, $265 per contract potential. And remember, everybody is not trading just one contract. Some people are trading 10. So you would take that number and multiply that. We'll go over that near the end, Tuesday, June the 13th. Well, here is the trade set up here, and why this spot and why this spot, why these two spots. Well, that's what the education will teach you. And so we were able to see a lot go on this particular day. Here's another trade set up there. So moving right along on Wednesday, June the 14th, utilizing what we do and what we teach, $300 per contract potential. And when I talk about these trades, these are trades that are of the smallest or the least risk possible as price action is taking place. And here's where that trade would have taken place and going short. See, we make money whether the potential to make money is there, whether the market is going up, down, or even sideways. It really doesn't matter. So on this particular day, that was a made money potential to make $100 going short. And then in the very same day, the market reversed, you see, and it started going up, and there were two opportunities to make money as the market was going long. I mean, I'll tell you the truth, you can't beat that. On Thursday, June the 15th, $100 per contract potential was available there, and here's what that particular trade would have looked like here. And on Friday, $250 per contract potential, and this is what that trade looked like here during our lunchtime session is what we like to call it, 9:30 to 11. So this is what was there. Now, so over the course of the week, the potential based on our trading strategy and setup was $1,105 per contract potential. But there again, I've shared this with you, and I'll say it again and share it again, that there are some people are trading more than just one contract, right? So per contract, denotes the number one, right? One contract, right? So there are some people who are trading 10 contracts, okay? So you would take that number and you would say, well, $1,105 times 10, that number comes out to 11,000. And you can check my math too. I don't mind that. $11,050. You see, just taking the trades that I just showed you. You see, so one of the things that you understand is that as your what's the difference between 1 and 10? Well, it's two things: it's confidence and capital. As you continue to follow the strategy and lean in to it, and it becomes just a intuitive thing to you. What happens is that you move from 1 to 2, then you move from 2 to 4, you see, and then you move from 4 to 6, and then 6 to 8, so forth and so on. So what's growing as this is happening? Well, two things are growing. Number one, what's growing is your confidence, right? Your confidence. And then the second thing that's growing is your capital, right? Whether it's your own personal account or whether it's a prop firm that you're trading for, the capital grows. And when the capital grows, then confidence grows, and vice versa. And then when that happens, then the contracts grow. And then what then happens is so does the earning grow. You understand what I'm sharing with you? So and the fact of the matter is that this is what we're dealing with. This money is available every day. And so that's why we don't compete, with one another there. I mean, when you start talking about money markets, there's so many out there, and there's so much. Here it's talking about trillions. Here it's talking about billions. Here it's talking about billions. You understand what I'm saying? So just your understanding of this. And what we do is we work very hard to make sure that you do that. We provide the tools and the things that's necessary, from a virtual classroom to an education staff, right? Of people who have high regard for you and want to help you. We also pledge to give you all that you need to develop a skill that's both learned and earned. We're going to help you do that. That's our responsibility to you. We're going to be direct with you, like just direct, like you shouldn't do this, you should do this, just point blank, and the reason we do that is because we're trying to mimic the market. The market is going to be direct with you. If you enter into a place where the market isn't declining and you're trying to go short, it's not advancing, and you're trying to go long, it's not time. The price action is not saying that yet, and you enter prematurely or something of that nature, then the market's going to be very direct with you. So in turn, we're direct with you, right? But we make learning fun. We really do. We have a good time. We also pledge to serve you until you start manifesting a transformation. Like, we're not going to let you go until transformation starts. We're patient with you, right? But this transformation is going to happen. You see, so everything that we do is done for a purpose of getting you results. Everything that we do, every lesson, every live tech session, every video, every class, every webinar, every workshop, it's all designed to get results. You see, there'll be a lot of hard work, not busy work, because everything we're doing is about being results oriented and driven, you see. And then finally, we pledge to give you complete solutions. We want you to be confident. We want you to be competent. We want you to be profitable, but we also want you to be independent. So we're going to position you to where no matter where you are in the world with the Wi-Fi connection, whether you tag team with us that day by joining live tech, or you just do your own thing, you'll be independent enough to do so. And that's what we want to do. We want to give you the complete solution. We are the complete solution. that's the reason you would choose us with a complete solution. In terms of education, and it's just economics, it's just an extension of the economics education that is limited in the public school system. So that's all I am, just economics teaching and just talking about one of the very, very critical pillars in our economic system, and that's money markets and understanding how to engage them. So um, with that being said, hopefully I have the opportunity to help you. So we pride ourselves in teaching, and we pride ourselves of having a hands-on approach. You see, a hands-on approach, right? Our strategies are designed to help you cultivate your trading skills and unlock your full potential. Independent. We're going to make sure you get there. That's what we're going to do. How are we going to do that? Well, every single day, we go over the strategy, we give you support, and we applaud successes. We do this on a daily basis, every single day. That's what we're going to do. And so what is the long range plan for you, the holistic plan for you, step by step? We're going to take you through phase one. We take you whether you know whether you know anything about the stock market or the futures market or the forex market or any kind of market whatsoever. We can take you from scratch, knowing nothing, or we can take you as a person who has had some experience in understanding the market, and even experience some success. So we can help you. We're going to start you at phase one, teaching you the way we read market structure, the psychology you need to have, and the trading strategy, and as well as the software that we use. We're going to take you through that. Okay. Then we're going to move you to phase two. Here is where you're going to be able to see the process happen, how a trade's taken, how a trade's chosen, how a trade's made. And this will take you, help you understand this through your freshman class and your sophomore class, and your junior class. And then when you get here to phase three, you're ready to start practicing. You're ready to start seeing it happen and practicing in real time, not using real money, but practicing in real time. And then here is where you graduate to the real money. All right. So this is what we do. We have a plan for you. Someone said a while back, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Well, that's not exactly, that's exactly what the opposite of what we're doing. So we're going to help you become an independent retail day trader. That is our key. That is what we want to do. Okay. We want to free you. All right. So that's what we're going to do. And then which is going to help you, develop a legacy and create a legacy that you can, pass down, well for generations to come. So you can check out my book if you want to learn a little bit more about what we do and how we do it. Very critical that you always explore. Always have an exploratory mind. Like, people will try to tell you not to do something or try to talk you away from doing something that they don't know anything about themselves. They haven't explored it. They're making that decision based on something that happened to their cousin and all that. Listen, I need to know for myself. And if you want to know a little bit about what we do, go to Amazon and put that book in there, Money Market Autopsy, and that book will come up, and you have an opportunity to kind of just see what it is that we do. If you want more information about us and what we do, go ahead, moneymarketedge.com, or you can text the word prophecy 94253. Hey, listen, my name is Cornelius Wilson Brown III, on behalf of my coaches and staff and all the people who have attached themselves to Solomon Training Institute, powered by Money Market Edge. We want to say, listen, welcome. If you're thinking about coming, hopefully some things that I said today can help make a decision. You can always book a call, just to explore a little bit deeper, and get a little bit more depth of knowledge about what it is that we do, and how we're helping so many people. So on behalf of everyone, it's the will of God that you prosper. You might as well come on over here, because over here winning is a lifestyle. We don't just trade the market, we kill. We don't participate, we dominate. God bless you. Have a wonderful weekend. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, by the way. God bless you.